Welcome to my channel. Today, we'll be talking about whether Questrade charges inactivity fees. The good news is that Questrade does not charge an inactivity fee. They eliminated this fee on all accounts as of October 1st, 2020. This is a great benefit for long-term investors who might not trade frequently. You don't have to worry about a fee being charged just for letting your account sit idle. However, it's important to remember that while there is no inactivity fee, there are other fees that might apply depending on your account type and trading activity. These can include administrative fees for things like transferring an account out, or trading fees for certain types of investments like mutual funds, options, or international equities. There can also be fees for market data subscriptions if you choose to get them. So, to answer the main question, no, Questrade does not charge an inactivity fee. But always make sure you're aware of the other potential fees that may apply to your specific situation. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.